Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Dwight. The Good Energy Affiliate is back. Got another video for you. Today, I'm going to talk about how you can get started with affiliate marketing completely for free. All right, so you got $0 as a budget. Don't worry about it. I'll show you how you can get started with affiliate marketing, get all the training you need, everything that you need to start making commissions completely for free. All right, you ready? Let's go. Okay, so what I'm about to show you guys is truly amazing. You're not gonna believe it's free until you go through this process and see that you never have to enter any credit card information, but this truly is free. Now, what it's gonna consist of is 1, joining the Facebook group, and 2, creating a free account with this new system. All right, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna walk you through step by step exactly how you do that. And then I'm gonna walk you to, we'll take you a little peek into my back office and show you what it's gonna look like once you actually set this account up. So what I want you to do is follow with me step by step. So pause this video, click the link in the description right now, and then continue on. All right, let's go.
Okay, so once you click on the link in the description, it's gonna bring you to this page here. It's pretty self-explanatory. Tells you our free Facebook group, shows you how to earn commissions every day. Our team will do all the hard work so you can start earning daily commissions. And this is actually all true. Okay, so you're just going to put in your email here and then click on the button that says join the Facebook group now. Then that's going to bring you over to this page here. And all you do is follow everything step by step. This group is very easy to follow because everything is laid out for you step by step. So if you start lightweight from the beginning, you'll get along in this group so fine and you'll do well. Okay, so you're going to check your email and whitelist from this email address here. You're going to get access to the Facebook group and answer the questions. So you click on this button here, that's going to request access to the Facebook group. It's going to answer some questions before you can get access to the group, and then you'll be able to be granted access once you know they review all the questions, okay? Now, while you're waiting for them to do that, you're going to create your free account and get free training access, and that'll create your free account with the OLSP system. All right. So now go ahead and do that, and then what I'm going to do now is I'm going to actually show you a little bit of my back office and show you a little bit of insight on exactly what's all included once you've got your account created. All right, so here we are on my back office, and as you can see, when you come into your dashboard, it shows you how much commissions you've earned. So far, I've earned $37 with this program, and the reason why I've waited to actually make this video, you know, I've been in this group for a while and following the training and doing the things for a little bit. But you know, I wanted to wait until not only did I make commissions, but I actually got the commissions deposited into my account. So once I did that, I was actually I was comfortable, to make this video and show everybody how great this thing is, and how you can actually do it for yourself. Okay, so this is my dashboard, and like I said, everything about this system is very detailed and set up for you step by step. Okay, so for instance, if you have a question, does it actually work? All you do is click here, and there's a video right here that explains to you exactly how and why this does work. Then there's another tab for using this site if you want to know how to use the site. And another great thing about this is, they don't leave you alone. Once you create your account, it's not like they just leave you alone. You actually have your own mentor, for free. This is all for free, included in the group. They give you your own mentor. Okay, and it tells you how many people are on your team. And then this is the great part, this is where you'll be getting started at. It's got all the training units for you here. And this is just not some, little fly-by-night stuff that you just, that you think you would be getting for free is nothing big. This is actually really extremely valuable training. Okay, so the first unit 1 is going to be how to use this group in the training. Okay, now when you start on unit 2, this is how detailed this is. What are you getting into this training, the problems in the business, the mega link? It actually breaks down every single process. Okay, and this is just unit 2. Then you get to unit 3. Now that's the great part. Unit 3, you get to your free list building training. Once you get to unit 3 and you complete your free list building training, they will give you 100 free clicks to your very own affiliate link. Okay, so that is just one way that you'll be able to start earning money for free. Okay, so you're going to go through unit 1, go through unit 2, and once you get to unit 3, you'll get to the free list building training, where you actually take a free course just on how to build your email list. And at the end of that course, you get a free 100 clicks to your own affiliate link to help you start making commissions right away. Okay, so then it goes on to unit 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, all the way down to 9. But I want to show you guys a little bit more about some of the great things about this. Okay, once you get through the training, if you're wondering, okay, which products do I need to promote? You don't know which products to promote. Well, that's already in the system for you. It's got all of the products that this system has for you that you need to promote. Okay, and then you need to know one thing about this thing that is really great. I mean, there's so many things about this that's really great, but a couple of times a month, they do live webinars. And not only do they give away money on the webinar sometimes, but this will be a live webinar on, a free way to get traffic, different topics. But this is all free that you get for just be a part of the group. And these are the training replays. So if you miss it, you can always go back in your back office here and go to the training replays. Now, one thing I do love about this too is this leaderboard, because it helps you to stay motivated, and I can actually be happy to say that this month I actually made the leaderboard. Let's see, where am I at now? I should be somewhere. Here I am. I made it to number 61. All right, so I'm on number 61 on the leaderboard. And the crazy thing about this is, look, the top 10, you get extra bonuses. So the top number 1 on the leaderboard gets $1,000. Number 2 gets $500. And so on and so on down to number 10 gets 100 free clicks. Okay, so there's so many things that are so great about this group, guys. I'm actually proud to be the one to introduce you to it. If you made this far through the video, that means you probably haven't seen any of this before, and I'm the one introducing this to you. So I really feel good about this, and I really hope you guys take advantage. And that's pretty much all I'm going to show you for right now. But again, click the link in the description if you haven't done so already, and let's get going, guys.
All right, guys, so there you have it. That's how you can get started with affiliate marketing right now for free, okay? So if you haven't done so already, make sure you click the link in the description. Go ahead and follow those instructions, replay this video, and follow the step-by-step methods I just showed you, and you can be well on your way to starting to make commissions, okay? So hope you guys like this video. If you do, drop your comments, let me know what you think. Always appreciate the love. As always with me, I'm trying to spread good energy in anything that I do. So I wish you guys much success. Peace out to the next time.